for the following counties in New Jersey: coastal Atlantic and coastal ocean. What? Northeast wind 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Coastal Atlantic and coastal ocean. When? From 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: the strongest winds will occur Monday afternoon. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The following is a winter storm.